How to get over a breakup. A breakup is definitely hard to get over. Focus on a brighter future and move on with your life. You will need a confidant, healthy food, exercise, rest, and activities. Step 1. Stop all contact with your ex. Do not write, call, email, or text your ex, and avoid spending time where your ex does. Step 2. Accept that the relationship is over and start looking for someone new. Nothing gets you over the last one like the next one. Step 3. Do not dwell on the past. Move on as quickly as possible. Step 4. Confide how you are feeling with someone you can trust. Sometimes just talking about it can put things into perspective. Step 5. Treat yourself well by eating healthy, exercising, and getting plenty of rest. Step 6. Keep yourself busy by engaging in activities you enjoy. Go to the movies, to a concert, read a good book, or start a new hobby. Did you know major depressive disorder affects over 14 million adults 18 and older each year?
How to get over a girl. It feels bad at first, but we all have to move on. Don't delay and risk getting mired in self-pity. Find out what's great about you without her. You will need distractions, physical activities, impulse control, meditation, life-affirming books, and a new girl. Step 1. Start your life anew immediately after a breakup with a girlfriend, whether the reason for the breakup was that you were being cheated on, growing apart, or she moved out of the country. The reason doesn't matter, and begging to save the relationship won't work. Step 2. Seek the company of family and friends, if only to avoid being alone. Distract yourself from the pain by doing guy things with your buddies, anything that doesn't involve women. Step 3. Find activities. The more physical, the better. Go to the gym, play a sport. Breathe, feel good, and live again. Dwelling in the past can paralyze your spirit and foster depression. Step 4. Resist the impulse to meet women on the internet or visit psychics in the hope they can predict a different outcome. Try to avoid music right now, especially sappy songs with sentimental lyrics. Sentimentality is the last thing you need right now. Step 5. Rid your house of all of her things, cleansing the environment of all reminders to start the healing process. Don't return her stuff or attempt to get your stuff back. Make a clean break of it. Step 6. Meditate or read positive, life-affirming books on accepting one's conditions. Tomorrow is another day. Step 7. Make this an opportunity to meet new people and do different things. Something must have been wrong or the relationship would have lasted. Get out of the rut. Remember the cliche, nothing gets you over the last one like the next one. Did you know? In a 2010 survey of nearly 2,000 people, almost 2/3 of respondents declared they would dump a partner by text message.